Hey there, and welcome to our Canva tutorial on advanced Canva techniques. In this video, we'll explore some of the more advanced features and techniques that Canva has to offer.
Step 1. Branding. The first advanced technique we'll cover is branding. It's paid feature. If you're creating designs for your business or personal brand, it's important to maintain a consistent look and feel across all of your designs. Canva makes it easy to create a brand kit, which allows you to save your brand's colors, fonts, and logos for easy access. To create a brand kit in Canva, simply go to the Brand Kit tab and enter your brand's information. Once you've saved your brand kit, you can easily apply your brand's colors and fonts to any design with just a few clicks.
Step 3. Advanced text effects. Canva offers a wide range of text effects that can make your designs pop, such as shadows, outlines, and glows. To apply a text effect in Canva, simply select the text you want to modify and then click on the Effects tab. From there, you can choose from a variety of text effects and customize them to fit your design. Step 4. Grids and guides. Grids and guides can help you align and arrange elements in your design with precision. To enable grids and guides in Canva, simply click on the View menu and select Show Grid or Show Guides. You can then adjust the settings for the grid or guides as needed.